WTOK News 11 at 5:30.
Well, good evening, everyone, and happy Sunday. I hope you have enjoyed the beautiful day that we have had. You had plenty of opportunities to go out and do any activities outdoors because the weather has been wonderful. Plenty of sunshine, some clouds starting to move into our area, but the only downside about the day today has been the temperatures. A lot of us have been sitting in the low 90s, upper 80s across the area, and we are still sitting in the upper 80s right now, even 89 in Meridian, 89 over in Philadelphia as well, and then 88 in Decatur. The only saving grace I see out there right now is the winds being roughly 5 to 10 miles per hour, actually helping us cool off just a little bit. The humidity has been killing us as well, so a lot of y'all have been trying to find ways to get up and active, but also try to beat the heat. And I hate to tell you this, it's going to be continuing at least for the evening into tomorrow as well. A lot of us are still seeing those temperatures in the upper 80s, lower 90s. You can still see across our areas. No one is escaping this summer heat that is finally starting to settle in for quite some time. And here's a look at the live radar across much of the United States right now. A lot of the country is dealing with scattered showers, and a lot of us here in the southeast are no stranger to that, especially in summertime. So we're still seeing a couple straight isolated showers, but most of us haven't even seen a drop of rain this whole month, actually. And would you believe that? A lot of us in East Mississippi and West Alabama have been fairly dry. A couple isolated showers and storms have been pushing through, but most of us, like I said, haven't seen a drop of rain. There is still that slight severe chance, especially into more central Alabama, but most of us aren't even going to have to worry about that. But let's talk about what we're going to be seeing tomorrow. So we're going to start here at 6 p.m. tonight. A lot of us still sitting fairly warm as we go into tomorrow morning. Things will start to cool off just a little bit, and by just a little bit, I mean we'll see temperatures back into the 60s and low 70s as you're waking up tomorrow morning, and no chance of rain for the morning. So if you do have any plans that require outdoor activity, I'd recommend moving them to the morning, because by the afternoon into the evening, we'll actually see some storms start to settle into our area. Now this will help cool us off quite a bit, but we will see roughly 1 to 3 inches with some of these storms, because not everyone will see rain, but the people that do could see a very heavy storm that just kind of sits over them for a couple hours. So be very cautious about that. Reminder, this is tomorrow at 6 p.m. Timing is roughly afternoon, so if you do have any morning plans, you should be good to go. Now, here's just a little sum up of what you can expect for your day tomorrow. 70 degrees around 7 a.m. Most of us waking up fairly nice. We'll start to see rain come back in our forecast by the afternoon, by that 6 p.m. time frame. Feel like temperatures will still be back into the low 90s, but highs tomorrow should be roughly into the upper 80s, low 90s. We are still tracking the tropics. It's still the month of June and still a couple days into hurricane season, so we're still tracking it, but right now no new tropical disturbances over the next 7 days. So that is all good now that things have quieted, and Arlene is on out of there. High of 92 today, low of 63, which is a little bit above normal for this time of year, but nowhere close to that record of 99 back in 1985. And then finally, here's your 7-day forecast. You can see tomorrow 50% chance of rain, high of 88, and that kind of just sticks with us for quite some time. A lot of us still sitting in the mid to upper 80s as we slowly inch back into